Our job search agent needs to write personalized cover letters. To do that, it needs to know what's in your resume. We'll add a RAG node that reads your resume and retrieves relevant sections.
Here are the 4 steps.
Step 1. Load your resume. We'll use a simple text file for now, but this works with PDF, Word, or any document format. Step 2. Embed it. We split the resume into chunks and convert each chunk to a vector using an embedding model. Step 3. Store in ChromaDB. ChromaDB is a free, local vector database. It stores your chunks and their vectors for fast similarity search. Step 4. Add a retrieval node to your graph. When the agent needs resume information, this node searches ChromaDB and returns the most relevant chunks. Let me show you the code. We create a ChromaDB collection, add our resume chunks with embeddings. Then we write a retrieve_resume node that takes a query from the state and returns the top 3 most relevant chunks. In our job search agent, the writer agent calls this node before drafting a cover letter. It retrieves work experience, skills, and education from the resume. Then it uses these to write a truly personalized letter. Next video, streaming. How to show the agent's output in real time as it generates.